Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here with your daily phonics lesson. Today we're going to continue practicing the vowel or syllable type and really honing in on those vowel sounds that they make. Okay, so just going over some of these sounds, we have A followed by R, so vowel followed by a consonant R, have our silent R syllable. This is going to say the sound R, like in art, cart, very good. We have OR, vowel followed by R. This is going to say the sound or. This is a word actually, or, okay? Like in the word form. And then we have ER, vowel, R, there's our signal, okay? It's going to say the sound Sometimes we see this on the end of a word, like in teach, and sometimes it's in the middle of a word, okay? ER is going to say like in her. Her name is Jane, her. And then we have IR, again, vowel R. When you see these together, this is going to say okay? It's going to make the same vowel sound, like in first. You guys all have been through first grade. And the last one we're going to go over is UR. Again, vowel R syllable type, and it's going to say okay? Just like IR, ER, and UR, like in our word fur, okay? All right, so what we're going to do is go through some words and we're going to sort them, whether they're vowel R or not, okay? All right, ready? So, yes, it's vowel R. And then when I touch, we're going to think about the sound that we see, and then we'll read it, okay? All right, so I see the vowel followed by the R. The vowel sound is or, and let's read the word. Lort. Pat yourself on the back if you said Lort. Pseudo word Lort. Okay. Hopefully you're going, no, this is not a vowel followed by R. This is a R followed by a vowel, so this is not vowel R syllable. We're going to put that in a different pile. Okay. Hopefully you're signaling, yes, you see that vowel followed by R, so it is a vowel R syllable type. Okay, and let's get ready to say the sound or, good, and let's read the whole word. Floor. Although this sounds like a real word floor, the real word floor is Floor. Always trying to trick us, aren't they? This is the kid spelling. I would know this was floor, but this is not the real spelling of floor. Okay, you should be saying, is it vowel R? Good, it's not. It's R followed by a vowel. This does not fit our vowel R syllable type, excuse me. All right, look at this one. Hopefully you're signaling, yes, Mrs. Walt, yes, I see vowel followed by R, U followed by R. Let's think about the sound. Hopefully you said Let's read our word. Burke. Burke. That sounds like the sound of Mrs. Burkhart. Burke. Okay, ready? Very good. If you're signaling vowel R, very good. And let's say the sound or, and read our word. Gore. Very good. It is not. No, it is a whole different syllable type I'm not even going to talk about. We're going to put it in a different pile. Nope. Nada. Does not fit vowel R, does it? Nope. Oh. Ah, very good. Vowel R. Okay, let's say the sound. And read our word. Twir. Twir. Okay, and our last one. Very good. It is vowel R. Say our sound. And read our word. Wort. So I always like to go back and just go over our sounds. So are we ready before we close? AR says R, like in cart. OR says or, the word or and the sound or, like in form. ER says like in her. IR says like in first. UR says like in fur. OR, we have the sound or, lort. Or floor, good. Burk. Or, gore. And wort. Very good. All right, friends, your job today as you're reading is to look for those vowel or syllable types. And when you read, think to yourself, oh, yeah, I hear that sound in that word. Okay? So I will catch everybody later. Happy reading, everybody.